Imagine this, a pendulum, a tool shrouded in mystery, used by psychics and seers to peer into the future. But hold on, there's no magic here, no supernatural force. In fact, it's a simple tool that anyone can use, and it's all about tapping into the subconscious mind. Think of it like this: the way your brain sends signals to your hand to move, it can also send signals to swing a pendulum. Can't find your keys? Ask your pendulum. After all, your subconscious mind knows where they are, even if your conscious mind doesn't. Now, how does one create a pendulum? Quite simple, really. You need a weight suspended from a string, balanced and responsive enough to react to subtle impulses. Many favor pendulums crafted from crystals, gemstones, or precious metals like silver or gold. But for a quick DIY, a ring swung from a strand of hair will do the trick. Hold the string's end in one hand, letting the pendulum swing above your other hand's open palm. For most, the left hand is the receptive one. A pendulum communicates in 3 ways: yes, no, and neutral. Before using it, you need to understand its language. Relax, ground yourself. Remember, the pendulum is an extension of your energy field. If you're off kilter, so will be the pendulum. Command your pendulum. Show me yes, show me no, show me neutral. Test it with a control set of questions to ensure you've understood it correctly. Now, you're ready to find those elusive keys. Pose your question in a way that allows a yes or no answer. Are the keys in the kitchen? No? How about the bedroom? Under the bed, perhaps? The key hunt might seem trivial, but it's practical. It saves time and energy. But don't limit yourself. The pendulum can help clarify your feelings about something you're unsure about. In conclusion, using a pendulum is not just enlightening, but also entertaining. Seeing how brain impulses can extend to external objects showcases the human mind's vast potential, extending beyond the confines of the physical body. So, next time you lose your keys or need some clarity, why not try swinging a pendulum?